Have you ever wondered how your heart works, tirelessly pumping day and night? Nestled in your chest, this muscular organ, roughly the size of your fist, serves as the engine of your body. Its primary role is to circulate blood, delivering vital oxygen and nutrients to every corner of your system. Understanding both the anatomy and physiology of the heart is not just fascinating, it's crucial for grasping how we function as living beings. Let's unlock the secrets of this incredible organ. Imagine a pump, engineered to perfection, operating non-stop for your entire life. This isn't just any pump, it's your heart, a muscular organ roughly the size of your fist, nestled in the thoracic cavity between the lungs. Its primary role: to keep the river of life, your blood, flowing throughout your body. Let's explore this remarkable organ structure. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. At the upper right, the right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, a testament to its relentless work collecting what's been used up. Below, the right ventricle acts as a dedicated pump, sending this blood to the lungs. Here, it embarks on a vital exchange, offloading carbon dioxide and picking up oxygen. On the left side, the freshly oxygenated blood makes its grand entrance into the left atrium, a mirror of its counterpart, ready to deliver life anew. Below it, the left ventricle, the most robust of all chambers, performs the critical task of sending this oxygen-rich blood surging through the body, ensuring every cell is nourished and functional. Integral to this process are the heart's 4 valves. The tricuspid valve stands guard between the right atrium and ventricle, while the pulmonary valve ensures a one-way path to the lungs. The mitral valve ushers blood from the left atrium to the ventricle, and the aortic valve governs the flow from the left ventricle into the great aorta. Each valve is a sentinel, making sure that blood flows in one direction only, preventing any backward steps in this vital cycle. With each beat, this intricate system ensures life-giving blood flows exactly where it needs to. But how does the heart beat? And what controls this relentless rhythm? Let's delve into the heart's physiology to uncover these mysteries. The heart's primary role is not just to pump blood, but to do so in a highly coordinated manner, known as the cardiac cycle. This cycle includes 2 critical phases: diastole and systole. During diastole, the heart muscles relax, allowing the chambers to fill with blood. Think of it like a breath in, where the heart expands and takes in. On the flip side, systole is when the heart muscles contract, forcefully pumping blood out of the chambers. This phase is akin to a breath out, pushing life-giving oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Central to controlling this rhythmic dance is the heart's natural pacemaker, the sinoatrial node or SA node. Nestled in the right atrium, the SA node fires electrical impulses that set the tempo, typically ranging from 60 to 100 beats per minute. These impulses cascade through the heart, ensuring that it beats in a harmonious and synchronized fashion. But the heart doesn't operate in isolation. Its tempo is finely tuned by the autonomic nervous system, which includes 2 key players: the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system acts like a turbo button, ramping up the heart rate and increasing blood pressure during times of stress or excitement. Conversely, the parasympathetic nervous system is like a brake, slowing down the heart rate and reducing blood pressure when calm is needed. Every beat of your heart is a symphony of precise movements and electrical impulses. Now that we've journeyed through the heart, let's recap the marvels we've uncovered. The heart, an organ roughly the size of a fist, is ingeniously nestled between the lungs in the thoracic cavity. This powerhouse of the circulatory system is divided into 4 critical chambers. The upper chambers, the right and left atria, serve as reception areas for blood, with the right atrium receiving deoxygenated blood from the body, and the left atrium receiving oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. Moving to the lower chambers, we find the right and left ventricles. The right ventricle has the vital role of pumping deoxygenated blood to the lungs, where it is infused with oxygen. Conversely, the left ventricle pumps this oxygen-rich blood to every other part of the body, ensuring every cell is nourished and functional. Integral to ensuring that this blood moves in one proper direction are the 4 valves: the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. Each of these gates plays a pivotal role in maintaining the unidirectional flow and integrity of the circulatory pathway. On the physiological front, the heart operates through a fascinating rhythm of diastole and systole, where it relaxes to fill with blood and contracts to propel blood out. This dance is orchestrated by the sinoatrial node, the heart's natural pacemaker, which sets the beat at about 60 to 100 times per minute, influenced dynamically by the autonomic nervous system. Understanding the heart is not just for doctors or medical students, it's knowledge that beats at the core of us all.